In today's video, I will walk you through how to unblock artists on Spotify. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once the app is open, go to Search at the bottom of the screen. Tap the search bar and type the name of the artist you previously blocked. From the search results, select the correct artist so you can access their official profile. After you tap the artist's profile, you'll see their name at the top of the screen. If the artist is blocked, you may notice that their songs cannot be played, or you may see a block-style icon near their name. Next, look for the three dots near the top of the artist's profile. Tap the three dots to open the options menu for that artist. In the menu that appears, select Allow to play this artist. This removes the block and allows the artist's music to play again. On some versions of Spotify, you may also see a blocked or strike-through icon directly under the artist's name. If you see this icon, tap it instead. This performs the same action and unblocks the artist. Once you've allowed the artist, the restriction is lifted right away. Their songs can appear in your mixes and radio stations again, and you should be able to play their tracks normally. If you don't see the Allow to play this artist option, the artist may not currently be blocked. In that case, there is nothing else you need to do. If the options menu shows Don't play this artist instead, that means the artist is already unblocked. You don't need to make any changes. To unblock an artist, go to Search and find the artist you previously blocked. Select the correct artist and open their profile. Then tap the three dots near the top of the screen and select Allow to play this artist. If your version of Spotify shows the strike-through icon under the artist's name, you can tap that icon instead to remove the block. After the block is removed, the artist's music will be available for playback again, and their songs can appear in your mixes and radio stations. That's all there is to it. Search for the artist, open their profile, tap the three dots and choose Allow to play this artist, or tap the strike-through icon if that option is shown. With the block removed, you can play the artist's music normally again. Thanks for watching.